Badoo, how to delete your Badoo account permanently. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Badoo account permanently. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. If you've decided you no longer want to use Badoo, deleting your account is actually very simple, but you need to go through a few steps carefully. First, open the Badoo app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account that you want to remove. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight into your account settings area. Once you are in it, next, look at the top right corner of the page and tap on the gear icon, which is the Settings button. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll until you see the option called Account. This section will also display your email address linked with Badoo. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and here you'll find the option to delete account. Tap on it. At this point, Badoo will ask for confirmation. Select Delete Account again to continue. You'll then be asked to choose a reason for why you're leaving Badoo. To give a reason is really important that the app should know the reason of your quitting. Select whichever option fits your situation, and once done, tap on Continue. The app may try to convince you to stay by offering alternatives, but if you're sure about leaving, tap on Go Ahead and then select Continue once more. Finally, you'll see the last confirmation screen. Simply tap on Delete Account one final time and your Badoo account will be permanently removed. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your Badoo account. If you like this tutorial video, then make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.